Hello, welcome to my channel. Yesterday, Pranesh and I went shopping and I was so happy to meet some of my viewers and they were so excited to see me. I want to thank you all for taking up the time and coming up to me and say hello and hugging. Today we have got a classic recipe which is banana loaf. During the lockdown, many people were baking banana loaves and I am here to show you how we make our banana loaf. For my ingredients, I have 2 cups of cake flour which I sieved. I am going to use 125 gram of butter, and this butter is salted butter, so I won't be using the pinch of salt that asked for. Half cup of sugar, 3 eggs of which I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Here I have 2 ripe bananas and they're quite large. If you are using small bananas, you have to add in 3 bananas. I'm going to start off by separating my eggs. Pranesh has helped me to separate my egg yolk and the egg white. Firstly, I am going to cream in my butter and sugar. I am going to use my electric mixer. Here I creamed up my sugar and butter together. I am ready to add in my 3 egg yolks to the cream butter and also a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will also mix Here's my cream, butter, egg and sugar. I am ready to work with my egg white and I will whisk it till it's stiff. If you are using unsalted butter, you can use a pinch of salt to your egg white. This is my egg white. I beated it as stiff as I can get it. To my flour, I'm going to add my teaspoon of baking powder. And I will mix this together. I'm going to gradually drop in my flour into the egg white. And I'm going to fold this in. My egg white is folded into my flour and baking powder. So this I'll leave aside. To another bowl, I'm going to peel my bananas. I am going to squeeze my lemon juice. And use a tablespoon of the lemon juice to the peeled bananas. I'm going to start smashing my bananas. My bananas are mashed. I'm going to add it into my butter mixture. Now I'm going to mix my mashed banana into my butter mixture. I am going to fold in my flour into my banana and butter mixture. I will give this mixture a quick mix to get some of the lumps of the flour out. Here's my mixture. I am ready to spoon it into my loaf tin. I greased my loaf tin with margarine in the bottom, and I've got a piece of baking paper on top. As you can see, the mixture is not very runny. It's going to make a nice loaf of banana. I'm going to spread out my dough evenly into the loaf tin. I am ready to pop my banana loaf into the oven, and I had my oven preheating to 175 degrees half an hour ago. We will give our banana loaf 45 minutes in the oven. We will check till it's golden brown. "45 minutes has passed and our banana loaf is done in our oven. Now I'm ready to take it out of the oven. Whenever a banana loaf is baked, it usually cracks in the center. We'll give this banana loaf 15 minutes to cool in the loaf tin and then remove. 10 minutes has passed and I'm going to remove my banana loaf and let it rest onto the wire rack to cool out completely before serving. Here you go, your lovely, delicious looking banana loaf. I am serving it with some butter on top, but you can have it plain, and with a lovely cup of coffee on the side, a lovely tea time snack. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.